Hello dear children, let's start the expert detective where we left in the previous video. Maya had made 9 points, whatever she could collect information about Mr. Nath. And the number 9 was, he doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything, 7? She said that he was not very particular about what was he eating, Mr. Nath, but he was very particular about paying his bills immediately on time, and moreover he was giving tips also. Then she confirmed with her brother that 7, is it all or have I forgotten anything? Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he does not have any friends. Actually, Nishad was not listening to Maya's list. He was very much feeling himself attached with Mr. Nath, and he said, Maya, meaning maybe he must be feeling very sad because he did not have any friend. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. At this, Maya shouted on his ignorance, and she said that cheater don't have friend, stupid. At least he has one friend, and the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. But Nishad is feeling grateful that at least he had one friend who is coming to meet him on Sundays, that fair and fat man. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime. I said, maybe he keeps all the loots and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, or for expenses. That's it. I am sure I am right. Now, Maya is suggesting maybe that man who was coming to meet him is the partner in his crime. And maybe it is possible that every time on Sundays, whenever he was coming to meet him, that time they must be dividing the loot. Whatever they were cheating, whatever they were stealing from others, he must be coming to distribute so that Mr. Nath could have some amount for his expenses. So this way Maya concluded the things. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad angrily. Nishad said, Maya, if you have decided he is a criminal in advance, then I am not going to discuss with you. Because it is not my case. I have not made him criminal in advance unless I have complete evidences. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. He said, if he is giving such good amount of tips to Ramesh, so he would be a generous person. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. But Maya said, Mr. Nath's some secret must be there in the hand of Ramesh. That is why he was giving him those tips. This was the conclusion of Maya. Ramesh probably knows, yes. Nishad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. Now Nishad has always a soft corner for him. So he said, now I am fed up with his name. Please, we will not talk about him. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude, 7? I asked. But Maya said, if you will have this attitude towards Mr. Nath, how could they make any progress in them? If 7 is not paying any attention towards it, how can we make any progress? Yes, I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said 7. You really make me angry. Now 7 said, again and again you have made him criminal in advance, so I cannot talk to you regarding it. If you will talk to him normal person, then I will talk, otherwise I am very angry. Almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. You make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? Now Maya, they had started beating each other, and she said, I made you angry, so you made me mad. If we have to finalize it by saying that he was not a crook, then what is the benefit of all these findings, whatever we were doing for since long? If you think he is a nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. She says, if you consider him as an ordinary person, then why are we searching for him? Why this investigation we had started? Nishad looked thoughtful. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. But Nishad is saying, I want to investigate, but I want to investigate why he was so thin and why was he so lonely, why he don't have any friend or family. I want to know why he does not have any friends and lives alone. So these are the thing I want to investigate, that why was he living alone? What was the purpose behind it? Try to understand 7, I told him. If he has lived in Shankar house for a year and has not made us a single friend, there's something wrong. Now Maya is saying, dear Nishad, just think. For since 1 year he was living there in Shankar house, but still he is single, he did not have friends, so some problem is with him only. There's something wrong. Yes. He obviously is scared and that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. She said he had not made friends because he must be scared that anybody would hand him over to police. That is why he was not able to make friends. Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, Nishad protested. But Nishad said, maybe he wanted to make friend but nobody made friend with him. Why shouldn't anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. Maya is saying, why you think that people should bother about him? He is such a nasty person, such troublesome person. People will definitely not bother about him. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. But Nishad said, I don't know what was the case, but I like him and I would certainly try to make his friend. Friends with a crook? Ha, you are crazy, 7, I said. Now Maya said, you will become friend of a crook. You are really crazy, you have gone mad. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? She said, if you will become friend with him, then police will take you into jail, because this would be the lot of his friend also. Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theory seems to have made no impression on him at all. Now Nishad went from that. He had made up his mind that he wanted to make him his friend, and nothing in this world, no explanation would force him to believe whatever Maya is saying about Mr. Nath. For him, Mr. Nath is an innocent person.